I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device lock state and where the PUK lives. Check the SIM sleeve or your carrier account for the PUK code. Once done, avoid guessing. 3 wrong tries will permanently block the SIM. If you cannot find the code, you will need carrier verification, so prepare ID and account info. Once you contact support, they can provide or reset the PUK. Meanwhile, keep the phone powered and do not enter random digits. You now get the PUK from your carrier and learn how to apply it. Call or use the carrier app, verify your identity with the account PIN or billing details, and request the PUK or SIM reset. Once they give the code, carefully type it into the phone. Accuracy matters. After a successful PUK entry, you will be prompted to set a new PIN. Choose one you can remember, but that's not easily guessed, and write it down in a secure place. You finish by checking network registration and testing calls and data. Once the SIM is unlocked, make a test call and verify texts. If the PUK was entered wrong 3 times and the SIM is permanently blocked, contact the carrier for a replacement SIM and have your number ported. This is the fail-safe. One key troubleshooting tip: if the phone still shows errors, reboot the device and reinsert the SIM. If problems persist, ask the carrier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.